I kind of miss the snow, the sleet, and the hail in my dreams because I did it enough in person. What have you done, like at your job or something that you started that you disliked doing in it, but you did it anyway? And I think that was me. Lady outside, started a business outside, love being outside, will always be outside. When I pass away from here, they're going to bury me outside. So being outside is not a bad thing. And if you want to start a business outside, I could help you do it right. Because I was outside for over 2 decades. My story was I prevailed and triumphed through all the ninjas and the bullshits, okay? That said they didn't see me out there. Everybody saw me out there. The sheriff knew me. The police knew me. I was a sitting duck out there because that's where I started my business. But I'm not out there anymore. I'm outside, but I'm not in a certain location. But if you want to be, it is perfect. It is I called it my survival mode because when I went out there, that's what my whole thing was. Oh, the winter, it's going to be cold. And I don't like the cold. But for 2 decades, I did it anyway. And I think the people is what made me come back. The people, satisfying and serving. That's my thing. I serve good people. People that don't like me, I don't like you either. So, and I act accordingly now. You know what I mean? I don't consider everybody, got my best interest at heart because they don't. And it's okay. But I won't put up with anything that I don't want to be bothered with anymore. And I said to God years ago that I wanted to leave Livingston. And I got my wish. It doesn't matter how it happened. It's that it happened. I'm a little settled now. Got my towel. It's a little bit damp still. A little bit. But yeah, it's been nasty. I did see a gypsy. Gypsy Rose. Hi, Gypsy. And I said, I think she's from my YouTube. Hi. This is one of my rain days. How are you? Rain or shine, I'm delivering, right? Out here, the people I know. But we're online too, right? What's going on? It's raining today. I'm safe on my phone though. I'm safe. Because I'm turning in here right now. Sheesh. Lately, you got to get out your rowboat. Your rower. Is that you? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, these ducks are in the middle of the street too. Move duckies. Okay, this is where I'm meeting my customer at. But I got my raincoat though. Where's my raincoat? Let's get the raincoat out. Oh my goodness. Got my little juice. You should be here in a minute though. We said we were gonna meet here. But it's raining today. Let's see. My trusty raincoat. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. I got it. What you been up to? Lady outside, still me, rain or shine, right? Outside with oil fragrances. I started the business outside. That's why I'm in my car most of the time. I see people in their car, but I'm in my car because that's actually where I started my business. I had a 240 SX, a Nissan, then I graduated to a Dodge Caravan. Now I got a Nissan Honda. There he is. He just pulled up. So, let's see. Do you have your bottle? You got your bottle? You don't? Okay, I'll pour it right quick. I didn't know if you had your bottle or not. And just in case you're wondering and being a little nosy, like we are nosy, right? Some of my customers don't like to get on the internet. They don't like to get online. I'm getting it acquainted to myself. And I know I've been on YouTube for a while and say I'm going to do this and say I'm going to do that. And then life happens. And then hand-to-hand happens. And then somebody comes up and squeezes my neck, and then that happens. So it's no excuse. I'm here, and I will see you soon. Very soon. And all that, I don't like to get online when they say it. They're not online. It's me online. But because of my customers, sometimes I like to show them online. Sometimes people don't mind. They're friendly. And then sometimes they do. So I don't know. I think it's just a personal thing, like with the camera, because I'm getting used to it too. I'm learning. This is a secret that I must learn. If I'm going to be connected to you here, I got to be in love with this camera because nobody's around. I mean, I got a couple of oil fragrances around. It was raining out here. I just left from meeting somebody hand to hand and in person. And I can't share my YouTube experience with everybody. I just can't. You just can't, because when you keep your dreams, your personality, your manifestations, just like I say, your manifestations, because it's corny to some people. Keep that to yourself. I will see you very soon in another. Oh, what's hot? What have you been wearing? Have you been mixing any oils yourself? I ask that question and sometimes I never get answered, and that's okay, because sometimes maybe you don't even know I'm here. Turn on your notifications if you're new to me. I started a business outside. I've just turned 61. So I'm gonna have a little fun. And my next video will be things that I've learned. Things that I've learned in my business, things that I learned, this everything that I've learned. Tell me some stuff about you. Are you in the state of Ohio? Are you far away from me? Now, another thing too, I have an email list. My website has not been on for a while because I've been learning how to do things. I was using one platform if you were ordering from me, and then I switched to another platform, and they couldn't communicate with each other for some reason. And guess what? My domain name is just floating in the atmosphere of the website, of the internet website, sites or whatever. But at the end of the day, I got it together. I got a link to my website, and it's at least to the original Egyptian musk, because I know a lot of people love that smell. And if you've been looking for me, I'm here. And you could always info me. info@ladyoutside.com, and send me an email. That's my private email that I just got maybe a week ago. info@ladyoutside.com. You could always comment. You could ask a question there. Don't get crazy. If you get crazy on my email, I'll have to handle you. But info@ladyoutside.com. You could ask me a question if you want to order the original Egyptian musk. Anything wonky going on with these links at all, info@ladyoutside.com, and I will be on it prompt, just like I'm on these oils every day on my skin in a busy, noisy world. We stay calm and connected.